Dear students, I am Mahavir Singh, English lecturer in JSVM Inter College Gango, and now I am going to teach you a poem which name is Photograph. Dear student, as all of you know that a mother plays an important role in the life of everybody, and the poetess Shirley Towson tells us about a photograph of her mother. She loved her mother like all of us. And let's on this poem. The cupboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins were paddling. It means that when the poetess sees the photograph of her mother with her cousins when they were going to swimming into the sea, she became very overwhelmed, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she was big girl, some 12 years or so. It means that when they were going to the sea, the both cousins were tightly caught her mother at that time. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. Near the sea, near the beach, a photographer was also in front of them, and all of the three, means the two cousins and the mother of the poetess, looked to the photographer at that time. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born. The poetess misses her mother, that she was very beautiful at that time, and when the poetess was born, she looked her mother at that time very beautiful. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, watched their terribly transient fit. It seems that the sea, which never be stopped, it forwarded to the feet and washed their clothes. Means, and now I want to some Hindi about it. The cupboard shows me how it was. कवियत्री कहती हैं कि जब वो अपनी माता की तस्वीर को देखती हैं, एक फ़ोटो को देखती हैं कि किस प्रकार से उसकी माँ उनकी दो कजिन्स के साथ, चचेरी बहनों के साथ समुद्र में नहाने के लिए जाती हैं, तो किस प्रकार से वो एक जो कैमरे वाला होता है उसके सामने फ़ोटो खिंचवाने के लिए खड़ी हो जाती हैं। और उस समय कवियत्री को अपनी माँ का जो चेहरा होता है वो इतना सुंदर लगता है कि जिस प्रकार से जब उसका जन्म हुआ होगा उस टाइम पर वो लगती होगी। और समुद्र का पानी धीरे धीरे उनके कदमों की ओर बढ़ता है और उनके पैरों को धोता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, सम 20-30 years later, she had laughed at the snapshot. Means after many days, when she sees her photograph, see Betty and Dolly, she had say, and look, now they dressed us for the beach. Means she looked her cousins named Betty and Dolly, and she laughed about their dresses which they had worn at that time. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter, both way with the laboured is of loss. Means it was the time when the holidays was continued for their summer, and that time the poetess laughed seeing the photograph of both of her cousins, and she thought that the girls how stood at that time with a laboring way. Means 20-30 वर्षों के पश्चात जब वो उस फोटोग्राफ को पुनः देखती हैं तो वो सोचते हैं किस प्रकार से उनकी जो चचेरी बहनें बेटी और डोली दोनों किस प्रकार से वो समुद्र की में जाने के लिए पोशाक पहने हुए थी, और समुद्र में जो उस टाइम पर उनकी छुट्टी पड़ी हुई थी उनको किस प्रकार से वो आनंद के साथ वहाँ पर बिताती हैं और किस प्रकार से कठिनता से वो वहाँ पर खड़ी रहती हैं. एंड द लास्ट पैराग्राफ ऑफ दिस पोएम. नाउ शी हैज़ बीन डेड नियरली एज मैनी ईयर्स एज दैट गर्ल लिव्ड. The poetess missed her mother again and again, and she thought that how she died, and of these circumstances there is nothing to say at all, and in this condition she had no word to speak except its silence. She became silence forever. It means that the poetess लेखिका कवियत्री सोचती है कि बहुत वर्ष बीत गए कि उसकी माता मर गई है और अब इन परिस्थितियों में उसके सामने कुछ और कहना शेष नहीं रह गया है, वह अब अपने आप को शांत कर लेती है. And now complete your poems. Next turn I will try to teach you about a prose lesson which means the portrait of a lady by Khushwant Singh. Thanks.